yung possible change of leadership sa Senate. Dahil sobrang gulpi yung Senado ngayon as an institution eh. Wala bang possibility na magkaroon ng pagbabago next week?
There's always a possibility. Kasi noon, lilima lang kami. Naging Senate President si Tito Sen eh. Eh ngayon, 11 kami. Dati, siyam lamang sila, 15 kami. Pero napalitan si Tito Sen. So, lahat possible eh. And this much I can say, yung pagpapalit ng liderato, in this present situation, it's in the works.
It's in the works.
It's in the
Actually,
works.
Hindi, kasi
Tama ba yung dinig namin?
Actually, we've been hearing of a counter coup since early this week, since late last week. And one version of the events that we heard, Senator, was that may mga ready na tumawid, kaya lang somebody was asking to become Senate President that was not palatable to the minority. Is that correct?
that is correct.
Senator,
pero
ulitin ko
okay
lang
na.
yung sinabi niyo ha. Leadership change in the Senate is in the works.
Totoo yun. Kasi, ano yun eh, sinabi ko na ito before, di ba? Yung coup d'etat sa Senado is akin to rebellion. It is a continuing crime, quote-unquote.
Bakit naman sa crime?
Sino pa yung mayorya? Yung nasa minority, sigurado magpaplano yan. Hindi lang sa sitwasyon ngayon, kundi even in the past. Ano? Non-stop yan. Continuing crime yan.
Pero sir, all you need na lang now is just one person to shift allegiances. And sabi nga ninyo, si Senator Win is, appears to be the most acceptable to both sides.
Pero either way kasi, ang papatalunin mo may kaso eh.
No, yun nga lang eh.
No,
Di naman lahat doon may
to
kaso.
change the leader. Hindi one. Ano? Isa lang ang tumawid.
Oh.
Kami yung magiging majority.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Situation ngayon. Kasi 23 kami. Pero to elect a new Senate President, dalawa kailangan tatawid.
Para
At
mag-president.
But amongst the people that are likely to cross over, mga likely na tumawid, Senator, I mean, are they still acceptable? I mean, to be frank, kasi for example, hindi naman sikreto that Tito Sen felt betrayed by Senator Loren Legarda. So out of the people that are most likely to cross over, I mean, ma-acceptable pa po ba sa bagong minority yan?
Meron pa bang katanggap-tanggap sa inyo doon sa Mayorya?
Knowing na maraming
Wala
kaso.
pa kami sa ganong diskusyon. Ano? Kung may acceptable ba, kung merong hindi. Kasi ayaw naman namin na parang condescending ang dating, ano?
Yeah.
Dahil naniniwala pa rin kami, maski ano pa yung sabihin nating kinasadlakan nung dati namin kasama. Naniniwala kami laging ang tao merong redeeming value eh. No? Pagka nag-give up na tayo, birang-bira yung tao na walang redemption, yung beyond redemption.
Except si Ronald.
Malay mo, di ba?
Except si Ronald.
Well, ayoko na mag-identify kung sino man. Pero sa akin, I'm talking in general terms. Ano? Bihirang-bihira yung taong walang o beyond redemption. Lahat ng tao may redeeming value.